Hey, what's up guys, this is Secret Wolf, and welcome to my first unboxing video. Well, this unboxing video is very important only because I'll be using this item in every single video almost. So, without further ado, the Star Wars mug. One of the ROTC cadets of my class in ROTC got this for me. So, we're going to use it in almost every single video. You'll probably see me holding this mug from now on. Alright, without further ado, let's unbox this. Alright, looking pretty good. Comes in kind of a nice package. Alright, that's the goblet right there. Just hold it from there. That's a really complex package. Generic brands. Unit not labeled or retail sale. One nice brand, huh? Alright. Well, comes with hot cocoa, so I guess it's meant to be good. Meant to be hot cocoa with it. So, I'm probably going to go in and do that. Well, that right there is the Darth Vader mug. / goblet. / whatever I did. Alright. So we're gonna go ahead and make some hot cocoa, drink out of that thing right away. I'll see you then. Well, that right there is a goblet of hot cocoa.